In this session, let's take a look at while loop. The purpose of a Python while loop is to execute a block of code multiple times. We can add some lines of code and it will loop through the code until a particular condition is false. Therefore, our program will execute over and over again while the condition is true. In the IDE, let's start with the variable called number and assign it to 1. The while loop has 4 parts. It has the while keyword, a condition, a colon, then the while clause. The while keyword is followed by a condition. From previous sessions, we know a condition evaluates to true or false. Our while clause, which is a block of code, will execute while the condition is true. Let me erase the condition, then write a condition like number less than or equal to 5. The next line begins our while clause. Everything indented below the while keyword, condition, and colon is considered the while clause. Print number. Print number will execute while number is less than or equal to 5. The condition determines how many times the variable number shows up in our console. However, we must be careful and have no infinite loop in our program. An infinite loop is a loop that always evaluates to true. Run, and we have an infinite loop that only shows 1 in the console. If I stop the program, we see process finished with exit code -1. The value started at 1, but it never incremented to 2. We increment by writing number equals number plus 1. This statement takes the value of number, then add 1 to the number. The shorthand is to have number plus equals 1, and it will automatically add 1 to the number. Let's add one more print statement to show when the while loop is complete. Now I'm gonna run, and this time we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. While loop is complete. Here is the process. Number is initialized to 1. Next is to check the condition. Is 1 less than or equal to 5? Yes. So the condition is true. Therefore, the code says while 1 is less than or equal to 5, print number, then increment number by 1. After incrementing by 1, the number is now 2. At this point, the program jumps back to the while keyword and the condition. Is 2 less than or equal to 5? Yes. So while 2 is less than or equal to 5, print the number, then increment the number. This process will continue until the number is 6. Now, when it increments to 6, the while loop is complete because the condition is false. 6 is not less than 5, and 6 is not equal to 5. If number is initialized to 6, then the condition starts with the false value. As a result, the block of code will be skipped. and never execute. Run, and the console only shows while loop is complete. That's it for the while loop in Python. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next session.